Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute notifications from people who don't follow you on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. This feature is part of a new update, and it's a simple but powerful way to take control of your notifications and keep things peaceful on your feed. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. Once you're on your homepage, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see several options there like Home, Explore, Messages, and more. Click on Notifications. Inside your Notifications tab, find and click on Settings. This is where X lets you customize how you receive notifications and from whom. It's a great way to filter out the noise and focus only on interactions that matter to you. Next, scroll or look for an option called Filters. Click on it, and then choose Muted Notifications. This section allows you to decide who can trigger notifications that show up in your account, keeping unwanted interruptions away. Now, from the list of filtering options that appears, look for the one labeled Who Don't Follow You. Check that box. By enabling this setting, you'll automatically mute any notification that comes from people who aren't following you. That means if someone you don't know likes, replies to, or tags you, you won't get pinged anymore. It's clean, quiet, and perfect for staying focused. Once that setting is turned on, you can simply close the menu. There's no need to save anything manually. X automatically applies your changes. And that's it. You've just learned how to mute notifications from people who don't follow you on the X web platform. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference, especially if you like to keep your timeline distraction-free and your notifications meaningful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to explore your other notification filters to create the experience that fits you best. Thanks for watching.